Sanskritsky.com.
See, a fourth degree polynomial will have 4 zeros. If 2 of its zeros are given, we can find the other 2 zeros. Next question is a problem on finding the 2 zeros when the 2 zeros are given. The question is, find all the zeros of the polynomial. Find all zeros. Find all zeros of the polynomial 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. This is the question. We are given a fourth degree polynomial and 2 of its zeros are given. We have to find the other 2 zeros also. Now, we can write the given polynomial as p of x. Let p of x is equal to 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. This is the given polynomial. It is given that root 2 is a 0. Given that root 2 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x. Therefore, x minus root 2 is a factor of the polynomial p of x. Therefore, x minus root 2 is a factor of the given polynomial p of x. We are getting x minus root 2 as a factor. Now, minus root 2 is also a 0 of the polynomial p of x. Given minus root 2 is also a factor of the polynomial p of x. Therefore, we can write x plus root 2 is a factor. Therefore, x plus root 2 is also a factor of p of x, the polynomial p of x. Since x minus root 2 is a factor and x plus root 2 is a factor, we can write x minus root 2 into x plus root 2 is also a factor of the polynomial p of x. Therefore, x minus root 2 into x plus root 2 is also a factor of p of x. That means this is of the form a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. That means x square minus root 2 the whole square is a factor of p of x. What is root 2 the whole square? It is equal to 2. That is x square minus 2. X square minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial p of x. Now we have to divide the given polynomial by x square minus 2. We are going to divide 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 is divided by x square minus 2. Dividing the first term of the dividend 2x raised to 4 by the first term of the divisor x square, we are getting 2x raised to 4 by x square is equal to 2x square. 2x square. Now multiplying x square into 2x square, which is equal to 2x raised to 4. Now minus 2 into 2x square, which is equal to minus 4x square, that we have to write below the square term. Minus 4x square. Now subtracting, change the sign of the terms. It is minus and it is plus. Adding 2x raised to 4 and minus 2x raised to 4, the result is 0. Bringing this to the below, minus 3x cube, then minus 3x square plus 4x square, which is equal to plus 1x square, then bring minus 6x down. Again we have to divide minus 3x cube by x square. Minus 3x cube by x square means minus 3x. Again multiplying x square into minus 3x, which is equal to minus 3x cube. Minus 2 into minus 3x, minus 2 into minus 3x, minus into minus, which is equal to plus 2 into 3, 6x. Again subtracting, change the sign. This is minus, adding minus 3x cube plus 3x cube, which is equal to 0. Now 1x square, here also it is 0, plus 6 minus 6x, it is 0, bringing minus 2 to the below. Again we have to divide 1x square by x square, the result is plus 1. Multiplying x square into 1, which is equal to 1x square, minus 2 into 1, which is equal to minus 2. Changing the sign, which is equal to 0. We have to get the remainder as 0 because we are dividing the polynomial p of x by a factor. X square minus 2 is a factor, therefore the remainder must be 0. Now we are obtaining the quotient. Bring the quotient here. The quotient is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Here we have to use the factorization by splitting the middle term as we have done previously. This is equal to, we have to find two numbers such that the sum of the numbers is minus 3 and the product is plus 2. Sum is equal to minus 3. Sum is equal to minus 3 and the product is equal to plus 2. The numbers are minus 2 and minus 1. On adding minus 2 and minus 1, we will get minus 3, and multiplying minus 2 into minus 1, which is equal to plus 2. So we can split the middle term, 2x square. Instead of minus 3x, we can write minus 2x minus 1x, then plus 1. We can take 2x as a common factor from the first two terms. It is equal to 2x into x minus 1. From these two terms, we have to take minus 1 as a common factor. Then only we will get the second factor as x minus 1. Taking minus 1 as a common factor, it is x minus 1 because this plus 1 is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1, minus into minus. So we are taking 1 minus 1 outside and the other minus 1 will be inside the bracket. So we are getting x minus 1 as a common factor. This is equal to x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. This is the factorization of the quotient. Now we can take each bracket as 0. If x minus 1 is equal to 0, the value of x will be plus 1. And if 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, the value of 2x is equal to 1, and therefore the value of x is equal to 1 by 2. So we are obtaining the other two zeros, plus 1 and plus 1 by 2. Therefore, all the zeros of the given polynomial are root 2 minus root 2. It is given in the question, and the next two zeros we have found are plus 1 and 1 by 2. These are the four factors of the given fourth degree polynomial. Okay.